Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make a virtual box with Ubuntu. First of all, you go to your web browser and you type Ubuntu and enter. Then you're gonna go into the first link, click on that. Then up here it will say download Ubuntu, click on that. And you will click download Ubuntu desktop. Click on that, download this. Wait a little bit and it will pop up. Just save. And when it's done downloading, then you will have a little ISO file on your desktop, as you can see. When it's done, then you can open your Oracle VirtualBox. Then you're gonna get this, and you click on New. Give it a name. I will call it Ubuntu. Ubuntu 2. On each image, you're gonna go Other and find the ISO file we just downloaded. Desktop here. Open. Click on Skip unintended installation. Next. Give as much RAM as you would like. I will give it around 8. Yep. And I will give it 4 processors, CPU processors. Next, I will give it also about 60 gigabytes of space, hard disk space. Next, and finish. Now you got it here on your left, and then you just click Start. Here you're just gonna press Enter on the first one, try or install Ubuntu. Then it will load, it will take a little bit. And as you can see, it's loaded up, and here's the setup for Ubuntu. Then now you will have to do is just go through the process and install it. It's pretty easy. It will take only 5 minutes. Install Ubuntu. Next. Default. Next. That's okay. I will click on these two. Next. There's on this one. Next. Give it a name. I call it Ubuntu 2. Password. I will just use this one. Next. Select your time zone. I select Denmark. And install. After Ubuntu is installed, then it will be all done, and then you can just click Start. It will take a little bit time to start up again. And as you can see, we're in Ubuntu, and now you can use it without a problem. Yep. That's what all was all. Thank you for watching.